Hi friends, welcome back. Welcome to Living on the Edge. Today we're making a little bit different video. I'm taking you today to one of the hotels that I stay most in my travel, or probably most in my life, because I'm literally here probably at least once a month. This is the Intercontinental Miami, but I'm taking you this time on a tour because they went through refurbishment and I was lucky enough to have experience in this beautiful executive suite after she was renovated, remodeled, and I'm very excited to share it with you. So as always, of course, grab something nice to eat, grab a glass of wine, let's take a look. Well, let's begin. This is a little bit crazy. We are facing right now the entrance door. This is your basically entrance area to your suite. Let me turn you around. I'll show you, by the way, of course, as always, the plan. This hotel, the Intercontinental, is actually a triangle building. The red dot is indicating this executive suite where we are at, and it's actually facing the city. Now let me turn you around. And again, this is your entrance to your suite. How beautiful is that? I remind you guys, it was recently refurbished, renovated, so this is the new look of it. Of course, we have at the entrance this entryway desk with light, and of course mirror, just to make sure you look decent before you leave your suite. We have our guest bathroom, or guest powder room right here at the entrance, and let's take a quick look into that. And I do enjoy all this accent lighting. The pre-lit mirror is very, very nice. You can even, hello friends, play with your dim it a little bit brighter or darker. That's very nice. The products you have in those suites, and from my understanding, most of the rooms in this hotel is the Byredo. So that's what you get here. You had hand wash and a body lotion. And at the same entrance area, we also have a wet bar. This is your wet bar right there. You even get this beautiful tea set. Just in case you would like to indulge some tea or coffee in your suite. You have your teapot right there, ice bucket, and of course, as in every Intercontinental, you have your Nespresso maker right there. That's very nice. Some accent books and vases. That's very cute. Let's see what's inside of this. We have your mini bar right there. This mini bar is of course for charge. Right here we have additional drawer with some more items from the mini bar, so that's very nice, just in case you need something during the night maybe. What's on this side? This side you actually have the same setup, although this is just a fridge for you to use during your stay. So that's very convenient. If you don't use the mini bar, you still have the storage and the fridge right here. Of course, you have your sink. They provide you some waters, so that is very nice. Now, my friends, let me take you to your living space. And this is your living room. It is enormous, very, very big in size. You can find right here your sectional sofa, a very big coffee table. I can hardly move that one. You have your TV right here. I would say it's probably about 80 inch or so. Now, if we will look on the other side, we have our dining table right here with additional sofa that you can enjoy with your family. But there is also additional TV right on this side. That's very, very nice. It's a beautiful space. I really enjoy the new decor they did here and the refurbishment. But I want to show you something right here, my friends. I'll take a look into that in a few seconds. But let's take a look again at this beautiful space of the living room. Okay, so you're probably curious what's behind the glass door, so let me take you right there. This is your private gym room. I don't know if I'm gonna use it, but it's pretty cool to have your own gym in your suite. You even have this tonal workout mirror. You have, of course, your bench here, some yoga mats there, a mirror, as mirror should be in any workout rooms. Hello. Let's see how long I spend time in this room. But we saw the gym, we saw the living space. Let me show you where you spend your night in this beautiful I was about to say ship with all the cruises that I do, in this beautiful suite in this hotel. So this is your bedroom. And in this bedroom, it's a king-size bed. Very, very generous in size. I do enjoy the details. They have even the Intercontinental logo right here on the pillows. That is very nice. But yes, this is your master bedroom. Plenty of storage. You have, of course, this commode right here underneath the TV. There's a writing desk right here with some lights. And you even have this sofa in your bedroom, so you can lounge and relax. And I, again, really enjoy the small details, the decor. For example, this small alarm clock, it's very cute. Some art here and there. This is very, very, very nice. Definitely would love to call this place home. And I do admit that I stay here quite often in this hotel, but I didn't get the chance to stay in this particular suite before, so this is beautiful. Now, let me show you, of course, how the master bathroom looks like. So the master bathroom would be right here. And you, of course, have, first of all, your double sinks. But it is your master bathroom. So in this space, we can find our soaking tub right there. They even provide you some extras here, like the loofah and even stress bowl for taking your bath. So it's a salt bowl. That's very cute to have. Right next to your bath, we can find our walk-in shower. And this is a very spacious walk-in shower. I would say 2 can easily fit in, maybe more, whatever's your imagination. But yeah, it's very nice in size. And of course, again, same products that we saw before. That's very nice. Now, behind the door on the other side of the tub, we'll find, of course, your commode. This is it. I do enjoy that this area is actually separated within your bathroom with a door, so it gives you more privacy and 2 people can easily get ready together. And on the other side, there's this door, and behind this door, we will find our closet. And in the closet, of course, you have your safe right there. It's big enough for a laptop. We have 2 bathrobes that they provide, some sleepers right there in the pocket. You have, of course, your iron and the iron board. Everything you might need for your stay. So yes, friends, this is your master bath. Now let me take you back to the living space and show you the views that you get from this beautiful suite. I will mention that all those curtains, whether the sheer ones or the blackout, do have blackout curtains everywhere. Those curtains are all electronically operated, so you have switches on the walls and you can operate it from there. So that's very, very nice and techy. I love that. But we are in Miami downtown, and this is your view from this beautiful suite. Isn't this gorgeous? I really, really like the new decor of the hotel. It's very fresh, it's very modern, it's beautiful, beautiful. I'm staying here for 2 nights, so I'm very, very excited to experience it all. It almost felt a little bit too grand, but it's very, very nice, and I hope it sparked something in you. Perhaps you want to upgrade yourself next time for in this or any other hotel you stay in or any experience, just a little bit, so you can maybe have those memories to create for life. But of course, as always, if you have any questions, please don't forget to post them below. If you would like to share your experiences, always welcome to do so. Do not forget to subscribe so I can keep doing what I love doing most and sharing my life and travel experiences with you guys. But until next time, thank you very much for watching. I'm your Hedge.